Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be discussing this problem 191, that is number of 1 bits. Okay, so let us first read through the problem. So it says write a function that takes an unsigned integer and returns the number of 1 bits it has, also, and that is also known as the Hamming weight. Okay, it has given us some more information, but the gist of this question is we have to return the number of ones in this number, or basically it has given us an integer that's a decimal number. We have to convert it into binary and then get us all the number of ones in it. Okay, so first of all I'll tell you, so there is a function called binary which will directly convert decimal into binary, that is 0 and 1s, and it will return us in form of a string. Okay, and we can just get the count of ones in it and then return it. I think it will work. We are taking in a decimal number, we are converting into binary, we are counting the number of ones in it. Okay, okay, great. It got accepted. So I hope it is clear. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll meet again next time. Thank you.